Alright guys, so first real snow of the year, and it's coming down hard, and you can only park here, well, you can park here until Thursday, but I need to move my car because when the snow plows go by, it's going to get buried in here because there's about 5 inches of snow, if not more, on the sidewalks, and it's not showing any sign of slowing down. So haven't started the car in a while. As you can see, it's pretty well covered. I'm interested to see how it's going to start because the map sensor is currently not plugged in, because when it's plugged in, the car runs pretty crappy. So it's just unplugged right now, running in its default profile. But as you can see, that's how much snow we've gotten so far on the top of the car. A lot less on the car than there is on the ground, to be honest. I haven't done a cold start like this for quite a while, a couple of years I think. So, it's got a 5-year-old interstate battery in it. Let's see how it goes. Turn the heat off. Like a champ. Had to figure it out for a second because no map sensor, but other than that, fired right up. I don't remember what the mileage was in the last video I made of the thing. We're at 193, 101.4 right now. So it puts the mileage on it since the last time I made a video on it. And oh man, I need to get some boots because this shit's ridiculous. I hope I can actually pull out of here. It would suck if it can't. Anyway guys, I'm gonna clear out the snow and I'll be back. So, 1 second. Alright, well, the car was cleared off and now the camera's out of focus. There it goes. But it's falling down at a decent clip, so let's see if we can pull out of this joint or not. My camera, or my phone's probably hitting my car right now because it's all bassy and stuff. But let's give it a shot. We got some temperature in it. Will she roll? And we're moving. Yeah. Oh, slip of it. There you go. These roads have not been plowed at all. Not one bit. I got cheap on the tires on the car there now. I can feel the thing already sliding down. Oh wow. Check this out, ready? Oh, it's gonna be fun. Fun. I'm gonna find a parking lot to pull into, which I think there's one right here. That hasn't been plowed at all. Hopefully I don't get stuck. And let's back up here. And back around. Make sure there's nobody coming. Alright. It is slippery as hell. Very slippery. Holy crap. Anti-lock brakes work. That went into third gear. Alright, I gotta find a spot to turn around and park. I'm afraid to pull off onto any of the sides because I don't want to get stuck. This thing I already hate stopping and going at intersections right now. I need to find somebody's driveway. But nobody's plowed their driveways yet. Man. Alright. Let's attempt a 3-point. I hope we don't get stuck. Traction control. This thing is fun in the wintertime, especially on bad roads. Bad idea to park here. This will be stuck in a couple hours. It's supposed to snow for 6 more hours. And I can't see out of that side of my car. How lovely. Well, he's gonna have to use the floors when backing up. Okay, I think we got it. That should be good. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Raw power from that 4-cylinder that doesn't run properly. But anyway guys, you probably didn't hear anything in this video because my camera's a piece of shit. But if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you dislike the video, hit the dislike button and tell me to fuck off in the comments. But if you want more content like this, I'll try my best. I'm just a moron holding a cell phone while driving one hand, you know, everything you're not supposed to do. So, oh, there's a truck turning the corner. Hey man, how's it going? But yep, winter's finally here, and it is shitty. And I don't have winter tires, so this should be fun. Take care, guys.